This video covers the LED IC replacement on an Infiled LED 2.6mm indoor LED module. The technician activates a series of test patterns to identify the location of the bad IC. The bad IC is located and removed with a hot air solder tool. The surface is then prepped with a soldering iron and the new IC is placed in position. Hot air from the soldering tool fuses the IC to the board. The IC is then cleaned and scrubbed. After the cleaning process is done, the IC is visually inspected to make sure it is properly attached. The Infiled 2.6mm indoor LED module is tested one last time.